Hello, welcome back to another James Scooters. So we've got some goodies in this box, hopefully. We've got the new, well, I think it's new, VNC kit, Super G 2.0. So version 2 of the kit. Heard a lot of good news, what people are saying, oh yeah, the first one was brilliant and that. So I thought, well, let's get the update version. Because if you've seen my videos, you know that Dusty crapped the cylinder. Go along the road, thought it was a heat seezer. It wasn't a heat seezer. It ended up being the gudgeon pin from the circlip gudgeon pin. Came off and it chewed through the piston. So this, we've also got, well, I'll show you. Well, I hope it don't look like that. So we've got the Polini primary. It says Vespa P125X. Bloody doesn't look like it on the photo though, does it? Look at that. Hope it ain't that. Let's have a look. I don't reckon it. Well, it can't be. Or is it? No, it can't be. I hope it's not that. I really do. Oh, phew. For you. Cropping my knickers in. Lovely. So that's the straight cut. So that will gear it down. I've also got a 7-spring clutch as well that we're going to put in. I know it's not a Cosa clutch. I know they're really good Cosa clutches, but I'm just working with what I've got really. So that's the plate. This is the Cosa. This is the 7-spring clutch. Got a few months back. And nope. What's that for then? Maybe it is, I don't know. That looks too small to me. That looks like a 6-spring. For the 6-spring clutch, isn't it? Well, can I fit that in there? I'm not too sure. I mean, that looks massive compared to that. That looks like something that fit a 6-spring clutch, that one. Because the diameter is much more smaller compared to the 7. Now write down in the comments if you think that will, well, I know it, well, do I know it will fit? Don't know, fuck knows. Anyway, yeah, write down in the comments if you know if that will fit on my 7-spring clutch, even though it looks fucking small. I don't think it will. But anyway, at least we've got the gear up for it as well. That's only a 23 anyway. Or do I have to match it? I think I've got to match it because they're straight cut. So that's that. I'll put that away another day. Ooh, sticker. Already got one. Now for the goodie bit. Ooh, lovely. Lovely, lovely. What can you say? You can still say. So this is the new kit. What? There's nothing in there. Ooh, lovely. All the technical sheet which we're going to need to look at. Yep, done that. The exhaust flange. Nice. Annoyingly, I can't fit it this weekend because I've got a robot competition with my wife. Basically, want to know it's like Robot Wars. Ooh. Cylinder head. Nice. Thank you to all my new subscribers, much appreciated. Got 55 now, trying to reach 100 by the end of the year. Fuck. Fucking kidding me. Yeah, there is 2 in there. Just thinking, you bastards. You got piston rings in there too. Okay. Piston rings. I would have preferred that was in a bloody box as well. They just shoved it in the cylinder. Oh well. Oh, lovely, lovely. Fuck me, look at that. Ooh. It's nice. Exhaust. Lovely. It's a nice looking kit. Can't wait to put that on. Wonder how big it is compared to the other kit. Fuck man. The exhaust port is fucking huge. Fuck me. So that's the exhaust port on the VMC compared to the old one, which is just fucking tiny. Little baba. We've got a massive exhaust on it. Look at that. Beast. All the inlet ports. God, that's nice. Let's have a look. Let's try to give you a closer look. Lighting's a bit crap in here. Look at that. Fucking huge exhaust port. Make it a bit bigger bang. That's nice. Cool. Right. Look at the piston. So yeah, so that is VMC Super G 2.0177. Nice. Yeah, cool. Well, thank you for watching the video. I'm going to clear up all this crap now. All over the bloody floor. Yeah, I'm a bit, I'm having an iron now about that clutch. So yeah, write down in the comments. So I want to use, but then I've got to be careful because that's a heli coil compared to the other one, which is straight cut. Yeah, anyway, we'll figure that out. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please click the like button. Like I said before, I do appreciate you all watching these videos and that. And me talking a lot of crap. So yeah, bye for now.